G'day folks, Ben from Sonos today showing you this TOAKS 1100ml titanium pot and pan set.
Hit it.
This lightweight pot and pan set from TOAKS is a 1.1 litre pot and a little fry pan that doubles as a lid, perfect for cooking for 1 to 2 people, and has got plenty of space inside to nest gas bottles and stoves. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. This is TOAKS Titanium 1100ml pot and pan set in its bag here, about 159 grams, about 15 centimeters in height when it's packed up, and it's about 13 centimeters total in the bag, but each pot, each thing in here weighs slightly, measures slightly differently. Now this is not an afterthought by any means. These are slightly padded, these bags, nice and lightweight, durable but padded bag to keep that protected and stop it rattling around in your bag. Now there's 2 parts to it. This guy here, they don't specify exactly the literage of this, but this shows 0.8 litres here, so it's about 1.1 litres for this pot here, plus a little bit of extra capacity in this guy here. This measures in diameter, is about 12 centimetres in diameter, about 11 centimetres in height, and the pot, the pan is about 11.5 centimetres in diameter and about 3 centimetres in height. So you get these 2 items with it. The pot, firstly, has got these foldable handles on the side. Not much more to see, really simple, all titanium construction, plenty of capacity in there to cook for 1, possibly even 2. You've got measurements on the side, so if you look down inside here, you can see you've got literage or milliliter measurements on the side there. Bit of an indent in the base to help it sit flat and make it more stable when it's on top of a stove, and these handles that sit on the side so you can pick it up nice and easily on and off of your stove. And then the little fry pan that goes on top doubles as a lid, so you could just use this as a lid to retain the heat while you're cooking inside this guy here, or it is its own little omelette fry pan by itself. This has just got a handle that could actually be removed completely if you didn't want to use that at all, but just slots in, really simple construction, slots into the sides there and locks into place, so you've now got yourself a little fry pan or a handle that you can use to lift this lid on and off of if you like. Now this is really handy in that it's kind of compatible with a lot of different things, particularly in the TOAKS range. So this is their wood burning fuel stove. So that's an entire wood burning fuel stove in there. You can put that inside there, and then you can put a cup, a mug inside that as well. You can fit their alcohol stove inside there too quite easily. It fits a 230 gram gas canister inside there. And if your stove's small enough, you could sort of squeeze it in there. That won't quite go on with a 230 gram canister. But if you put a stove like this with a 100 gram canister inside there, fits quite easily. You see that nice and flat? Fits quite easily to pack it up inside. So quite versatile. You could even just fill it with food or something if you liked, but lots of capacity for only 150 grams weight, and you get a pan and a pot in the same kit. All made of durable, lightweight titanium with a nice smooth finish to it, so it's going to last you a lifetime, and it's the perfect addition to any lightweight hiking setup if you're cooking big meals for 1 or cooking for 2. Check these out online at snowies.com.au.